Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Tyler J. Tolbert from Smile Now Dental Group. If you're considering all-in-4 dental implants, you've probably seen ads online or social media posts offering $8,000 full arches in other countries or even from some US providers. It sounds tempting, right? But before you hop on a plane or book that too good to be true deal, I want to give you a reality check from someone who's seen what happens when those shortcuts go wrong. In this video, I'll break down what these cheap all-in-4 deals actually include and don't include, the real risks of traveling for treatment, and why choosing a local, transparent provider is almost always the better long-term decision. Why are some all-in-4 prices so low? You may have seen clinics advertising all-in-4 for $8,000 to $10,000 per arch, especially in countries like Mexico, Costa Rica, Colombia, or even select locations right here in the United States. Here's what you need to know. Those prices are rarely all-inclusive. The number you see is often just the base fee, and that number goes up quickly as soon as you're in the treatment room. Once you say yes and commit to treatment, you'll likely get hit with additional costs for extractions, bone grafts, sedation, yeah, you kind of want to be asleep for these things, temporary teeth, and your final zirconia prosthetics, the basic things that you would want for your care. Also, you're going to get hit with fees for follow-up care. So by the time you're actually done, your cheap procedure often costs just as much or even more than a local reputable provider without all the benefits that come with that. Let's be honest, traveling for dental implants is risky, especially for something as complex and permanent as all-in-4. Here are the biggest issues. For one, there's no oversight or accountability. Foreign clinics aren't held to the same medical or legal standards that we follow here in the United States. If something goes wrong, your options for recourse are limited, if not non-existent. Also, unknown materials and parts. We've seen cases where patients have no idea what kind of implants or prosthetics were used. Worse, the components are often incompatible with the tools and materials that we have available here in the US, making it hard or even impossible to service them. It's important to remember that there is no one-stop solution for full mouth replacement. When done properly, these restorations still require a lifetime of follow-ups and maintenance care, just like your original teeth. Lack of documentation. Many overseas providers don't give patients the proper records, specs, or part numbers that they need if a problem ever arises down the road. Also, there's no local follow-up, so if something chips, loosens, or gets infected, what do you do? Who do you see? Most US dentists are understandably hesitant to touch work that they didn't place themselves, especially if it's from a system that they can't verify or trust. The primary reason is that dentists are wary when they don't have all the information in front of them. And if any issues were to arise, they would then be liable to take care for them despite having never been compensated for all the work. This creates an unfair situation for both you and the provider that you're seeing. In many cases, you'll be told to go back to the clinic that did it originally, but sometimes those clinics don't even exist anymore, and patients are left with no support and nowhere to turn. We understand that cost matters, but with something this important, you don't just want cheap, you want quality, trust, and access to the provider that gave you the care originally. Here's why staying local makes more sense. First of all, clear pricing up front. At Smile Now, our prices are transparent and all-inclusive. We don't hide costs or tack on surprises after the fact. Universality of parts. We use implant systems that are widely recognized, FDA-approved, compatible with other US dental providers, and supported by strong documentation. In-house procedures. Everything is done under one roof. Imaging, surgery, lab work, and follow-up. You know exactly who to call if something needs attention. Convenience and access. There's no flights, no passports, no language barriers, just a team that you can trust that's always going to be within reach. Long-term responsibility. We don't just place your implants and send you on your way. We're committed to maintaining your results, checking in over time, and being there if you ever need us. Patients that are treated in our clinics have minimal maintenance expenses, whereas the prices required for maintaining other people's work is considerably higher considering the risks included. I've personally seen too many cases where patients went out of the country for a deal and they came back with implants that weren't placed properly, arches that broke after a few months, oftentimes never even getting their teeth in the first place, infections or inflammation that had to be treated surgically, no support, no documentation, and no idea what to do next. And ultimately, they're having to pay full price for a remake with no means for restitution from the original treatment center. And unfortunately, fixing bad implant work can be way more expensive and complicated than doing it right the first time. Remember, this isn't a one-stop solution. These are permanent prosthetics that affect your ability to chew, speak, and smile for the rest of your life. You want a provider who takes responsibility for that, not one who disappears once the work is done. If you're thinking about all-in-4 and want clear answers, transparent pricing, and local care you can count on, we're here for you. Click the link in the description to schedule your free consultation at Smile Now Dental Group. We'll walk you through the real costs, the materials, and a long-term plan that puts your health and happiness first. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more expert guidance on full arch implants and restoring your smile the right way. See you in the next video.